What's up, guys? My name is Amit Kaleho, and for most of you guys who don't know me, I live here in Kona, Hawaii. It's beautiful, it's pretty awesome, and right now we're going to be heading to the beach, and with all my family, and my friends, and my cousins. So, that's pretty much it. See you guys out there. So we arrived at the beach. Here at Devi Babes. Follow on Instagram. That's Devi Babes.
Do you guys
Lobes 808. Whatever. It's gonna be too long. But here, this place is called Hapuna. It's here all the way out, like almost on the other half of the Big Island or Hawaii. So
where's the waves?
it's very small. There is absolutely no waves, just to be honest. But it's still fun anyways. Gotta know how to practice surfing, bodyboarding, whatever. So, hit you guys up after. See you guys later. Bye. So after a harsh and playful and hot day, I'd like to end this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.